Hey guys, it's Hope here. I'm gonna do a little Q&A, so if you want to send me over any questions, I will answer them. I'm 24 years old and I am gonna be 25 on the 26th of April. I had to think about that. Yeah, I'm 24. So I've literally been so creative ever since I was young, and yeah, I did a lot of art in school. So I did ceramics, painting, collaging. I did the whole shebang. So I was very creative when I was, and also growing up, my mum was really into fashion. She was really fashionable. So I feel like that's how I got inspired to sort of go on to do sort of a fashion related degree at university. So I did fashion textiles because I still wanted to create. So yeah, I did fashion textiles at university, and I also interned in London at a few fashion designer brands. And yeah, I was just I would love to work for myself. That was my main goal. So doing those internships made me realize I want to do this myself. I want to have my own business someday. And yeah, in my final year of university, I created a graduate collection, and that was showcased at Graduate Fashion Week and London Fashion Week. So I started sharing my work on social media constantly, so much. I was probably really annoying back then, actually. Nah, we're not annoying. No, it's good to post loads and share your work. Share it. Be confident. Through sharing on Instagram, I got opportunities to work with different stylists and do collaborations with photographers and stuff. And after university, I moved back home to Northern Ireland, so it was great that I was still able to collaborate with people in London. So that's basically how I started. And then yeah, things got a little crazy this year, let's just say that. So my granny taught me the basics of knitting. We used to make little jumpers for my teddy bears and things, and little scarves. So I learned the basics of knitting from her. Then at university, throughout all of my projects, I started to develop different techniques of knitting. I always included knitting in each of my projects, even though my degree was actually fashion textiles print. It was specifically. So yeah, honestly, I just kept experimenting. And yeah, from my graduate collection, the most thing that people talked about was the knitwear, so I just continued to do that. So that's sort of how my colossal knits came to be. I just love chunky knitwear. I just think it's amazing, so I just created sort of my own version, my own unique style, and just developed it throughout so many years trial. My days are literally so busy. I still do pretty much everything, answering customer emails and managing my social media, and I still do some knitting here and there, designing, contacting my knitters, because I have a team of 15 knitters around Northern Ireland, and yeah, I'm always contacting them, packing orders. Me and my boyfriend pack orders, and yeah, my mum does the drop-offs from the knitters, dropping off wool and dropping off jackets to me. So yeah, there's just constantly things to do. This is literally a dream, but I'm not gonna sugarcoat things. Days are hard, it's stressful. I'm a very stressful person, but this is amazing. Back in April, I was working in a supermarket, and now I get to do this full time. So we're based in Northern Ireland, along the north coast. It's so lovely here, living beside the sea. And yeah, my studio, my little studio section is just behind me in my apartment. In terms of custom sizing, we do custom sizing all the time. Yeah, just put your measurements or your size in the notes at checkout, and we will do it for you. And don't be afraid to just email me and ask me. In terms of color customs, if you just want a simple switch of another color that we have available, then that's totally cool. That's totally fine. Really easy to do. No extra charge if it's just a color switch or something like that. We can also do really special customs, if it's kind of a completely different design, but we only take on a couple of them a month. But yeah, if you want to email me or find out more, just DM or email me. A lot of my collections are inspired by surrealism. I absolutely love surrealism, and creating a distorted, hallucinatory world within my collections. I've got Surreal Rome, Distorted Wonderland collection, It's a Paradise. I'm also really inspired by how the brain works, what is our consciousness, what is reality, and all that kind of stuff. At university I knitted a brain one time. Yeah, I know. My favourite is definitely 100% merino wool. So soft and beautiful, and also natural, sustainable, biodegradable, renewable. It's just amazing. I've got loads, being in Vogue, being in Elle magazine, being in Vanity Fair, Gigi Hadid wearing my knit to the supermarket with Zayn, Halsey wearing one of my knitwear pieces, like, yes, so all of our merino wool is RWS certified, which basically means the farms have to take high welfare standards and, you know, look after their animals and care for them, which also means no mulesing as well. Oh, thank you so much. I will definitely keep creating. I literally have so many ideas, so many new things planned, collaborations planned next year, so yeah. Thank you so much. Actually, a lot of people don't know that I do, you know, printed garments as well, like trousers, dresses, and I do embellished accessories. I do t-shirts as well. I love, like, the whole, in my collections, I love creating, you know, the whole look, you know, what to wear with your knitwear pieces, like the t-shirts and the trousers and the dresses and things like that. So I love creating the whole vision. So yeah, I definitely will continue to do that, along with, you know, developing my knitwear further too. And yeah. Oh my god, I saw a mannequin and I thought it was a person. It's a mannequin! Yes, so if it's a creative business, like, keep creating in any way you can. Like, don't stop, don't lose sight of you know what your goal is. Keep creating, keep sharing your work. Like, what do people, and when you're sharing your work, like, what do people love about your work? Like, whatever people love, like, continue to do, continue to grow, continue to share, like, collaborate, like, just keep going. Like, don't give up. Like, it's cliche, but, like, literally don't give up. Okay guys, thank you so much for sending all your questions. I really enjoyed doing that. Now I'm gonna go off and enjoy my Sunday and have some lunch. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Hope you all have a lovely Sunday, and yeah, happy holidays. All have a lovely week next week. But I'll be here. I'll be in my DMs and my emails. So if you ever need anything or want to contact me or ask me anything, then yeah, just let me know. Bye.